Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. I share content on lifestyle, health, wellness, and beauty. So if you're interested in stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my Instagram at Thediamondmentality. There, I share content on lifestyle, health, wellness, and beauty as well. And if you find your way, making your way over to my Instagram, go ahead and check out my blog. The link is down below. Today's video is on lash lift. I don't know if you could see that, but I purchased this lash lift lash perming kit from Amazon. I've seen so many different videos on it, and I'm a mascara girl. I'm not a girl that wears false lashes often, and if I do, it's very rare that you'll see me in them, just because I be feeling like I have stuff crawling on my face and I ain't got time for that. And my eyelashes are very curly, like they're not straight. They like curl a lot. So I figured if I perm my lashes or if I do a lash lift, it'll give me some volume. So that is what this video is about, demonstrating the product and showing you exactly how it works and what you have to do, just in case you might be interested in trying it. I went ahead and tried it, showed you how it went, showed you how it worked for me, so that you could decide if it's something that you want to get for yourself as well. So let's just get right into it. This is the packaging for the lash lift kit. It comes with 5 eyelash brushes and 5 sticks with cotton foam at the top. Inside of the box, you get eyelash glue, the perm, some nutrition oil, fixation cream, and a cleanser, as well as cleaning tools and lift pads. Here I am reading the directions, trying to figure out what to do first. So you're going to use number 4 and clean anything off of your lashes. Before I do, I'm giving y'all a before of how my lashes look before I add anything to them. After cleaning your eyes, you find the lift pad that matches your eyelid. The pads range from small to extra large. The bigger the pad, the more curvier your lashes will be. I tried medium, but it was too big for my eyelid, so I went with a small, and it fit way better. Next, you take the eyelash glue and glue the pad onto your eyelid. Here I am trying to get it right behind my eyelashes. If you decide to try this, try your best not to get any lashes trapped behind the eye pad. I didn't get the pad super close to my eyelash line, but I think that's okay. This is not a part of the steps, but I went ahead and brushed my eyelashes out. Next, you want to take the lash glue and glue your lashes onto the pad. One thing I can say is the lash glue in this kit is trash, all right? I had the hardest time trying to get my lashes to stick to this. It took me a long periodically time to get them on, but I tried my best and just moved on to the next step, the perm. Y'all, I was shitting myself putting this on my lashes. The whole time in my head, I'm like, don't get it in your eye. Don't get it in your eye. Girl, please do not get this shit in your eye. I was about to have an elephant, y'all, but I was super careful and got it on with no issue. After you get the perm on, you have to place plastic wrap on your eye for 10 to 12 minutes. I did it for 10. When your time is up, you take the plastic wrap off of your eye and scrape the perm off of your eyelash using this weird comb tool. I ain't have time for all that, so I got a cotton pad to wipe off the residue. After that, you have to put on the fixation cream, the same way you put on the perm. And after you put on the cream, you have to place the plastic wrap on your eye again for another 10 to 12 minutes. This time around, I have no idea how long I left it on because I did not look at the time when I put the plastic wrap on, but I have a feeling it was definitely less than 10 minutes. After, I go in and clean it off, and look how it looks so far. I definitely see a difference. Next, you go in with the nourishing oil, and that's it. You're done. Do you see the difference between the eye I did and the other one? I'm going to do the other eye off camera. Now both eyes are complete. I'm going to add in a side by side. Do you see the difference? That was it. So I have a mascara right now. So that was without any mascara, without anything at all. I'm gonna get up close and personal to my camera so that y'all could see how my eyelashes look with mascara. I don't know if you could, I didn't put mascara on before, but this is what they look like by themselves after the application with mascara on. I'm not mad at it. I'm really not mad. I think what I'm going to do, if you notice, this eye is a little bit more lifted than this one, so I'm gonna do both of them over again. I think I messed up with this one. This is the eye that I did on camera. This is the eye that I did off camera. I wasn't timing it correctly, so I think that's why this one didn't lift as much. So I'm gonna try again tomorrow or the day after, but this is what they're looking like. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Have a good night.